Hello friends, welcome to Maths is Easy and welcome to the new video. How are you all? We are doing algebraic expressions of class 8 in this video. Publication house Goel Brothers and name of the book is Exploring Mathematics. After watching this video, you would be able to understand how to multiply the algebraic expressions. So fourth question is given as find the product 5x plus 9y and 6s plus 3y. We have to multiply it. So initiating with 5x plus 9y into 6x plus 3y. So first we will multiply 5x with 6x, then 5x with 3y, then 9y with 6x and 9y with 3y. So we are writing like same way 5x into 6x into 5x into 3y plus 9y into 6x plus 9y into 3y. So 5 into 6x would become 5 6 are 30x square. 5x into 3y will become 5 3 are 15xy. 9 into 6 54xy and 9 into 3 27y square. So we can see that xy and xy same here. So 30x square, 15xy and 54xy will get added up. So answer would be 69xy plus 27y square. So answer is 30x square plus 16xy plus 27y square. So it was a question of let us do 5.3. So let's move to the second question. Before moving further, I want to remind you that I have solved many chapters of Exploring Mathematics, publication house Goel Brothers class 8. Name of the chapters are rational number, exponents and powers, square and square roots, comparing quantities, algebraic expressions, quadrilaterals and so on. Moreover, I have solved many chapters of class 6, 7, 8 of Mathematics Success. So all the solution links are available at the description of this video, so check it out. So second question is given as 3x square plus 7y into 5x minus 6y. So 3x square will be multiplied with 5x, then 3x square will get multiplied with minus 6y, then 7y will get multiplied by 5x and minus 7y will get multiplied by minus 6y. So 3x into 5x, that is 15x cube. 3 into minus 6 minus 18x square y, 7 into 5 35xy minus 7 6 are 42y square. So this is our answer. Let's move further. So third question is given as 3 by 2 xy plus 5 by 2 y square z and 2x minus 3yz. Same process will be followed. First multiply this with both of this and multiply this term 5 by 2 yz with both of this. So we will be writing like this: 3 by 2 xy into 2x plus 3 by 2 xy minus 3yz plus 5 by 2 y square z into 2x plus 5 by 2 y square z minus 3yz. So 3 by 2 xy into 2x, 2 will get cancelled. It will get multiplied. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled and it will get multiplied. So after all the calculations, we are left with 3x square y minus 9 by 2x y square z, 5 by 2x y square z minus 15 y cube z square. So sum up and answer will be 3x square y minus 9 by 2x y square z plus 5x y square z minus 15 by 2 y square y cube z square. This is our answer. Then again we will sum up x y square z x y squared. So answer would be what? 3x square y minus 9 by 2 x y z square minus 15 by 2 y cube z square. So at last our answer would be 3x square y minus 45 by 2 x y square z minus 15 by 2 y cube z square. This is our answer. Let's move further. So fourth part is given as 2 plus 6yz into x square y square plus 2yz. So 2 will get multiplied with 2x square y square, then 2 will get multiplied with 2yz, 6yz into x square y square and 6yz into 2yz. So multiply it 2 into x square y square, 2 into 4 yz, then 6x square y cube z, and answer would be 6 into 12 y square z square. This is our answer. So it was all about today's video. In my upcoming videos I will be solving more of the questions of algebraic expressions 5.3. Stay tuned. So if you guys like my videos, or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible, and do comment which next chapter you want to get solved. So comment positively. Thank you so much.